Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is Rizky Nanda Putramianto. You can call me Rizky. I was born in Bogor, 25 Juli 2009. I live in Cimanggu. I love swimming and enjoy staying active. I am complete to elementary school at Elementary. Continue junior high school at Bogor, and I am studied at SMA Pusat. My parents are my role models. I dream of a dream actor, so I stay disciplined, study hard, try, build leadership, and I listen to good advice. With hard work, I believe I can and pass. Thank you.